Looking for a 250 cubic centimeters motocross bike that blends agility with power and top-notch performance? The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z250 might just be the bike you've been waiting for. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into the details of Suzuki's latest offering, a bike that's built for riders who want precision, reliability, and, of course, thrills on the track. Design. Let's start with the design. The RM-Z250 maintains its sleek, aggressive look, with bold yellow and black graphics that give it a mean, ready-to-race attitude. The frame is compact and light, making it feel nimble through the corners. Suzuki's engineers have really dialed in the ergonomics. The slim seat and narrow profile make it easier to move around, giving you full control when you're pushing through technical sections or getting ready for the next jump. Performance. Now, onto the performance. The 2026 RM-Z250 comes equipped with a powerful 249 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine. Suzuki's made some smart tweaks this year, with a refined power delivery that feels smoother at lower RPMs, but still screams when you get on the throttle. It's quick, responsive, and definitely built for those high-intensity laps. Plus, with the updated exhaust system, you get that signature Suzuki snap that racers love. Features and technology. In terms of features, Suzuki has kept the RM-Z250 suspension in top shape. The Showa fork and rear shock are fully adjustable, ensuring you can fine-tune them for your riding style and track conditions. The bike also comes with Suzuki's whole-shot assist control, an excellent feature for getting off the line fast and clean, especially in competitive environments. And don't forget about the ride mode selector, which gives you the ability to adjust power delivery on the fly. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 RM-Z250 worth your attention? If you're a rider who wants a bike that offers agility, power, and all-around track readiness, it's definitely worth a look. Suzuki has kept it simple but effective, and that's what makes this bike so impressive. What do you think about the 2026 RM-Z250? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest motocross bikes and gear. Catch you in the next review.